Talk Tuesday with Gwennie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gwennie and it's Talk Tuesday. I know you've been waiting, so here we are. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. I'm a family vlogger. I come every Tuesday to talk to you guys. Come on Thursday with the banging vlogs, give you something to look at, something to catch your eye. So if you're interested in that, click that subscribe button down below. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back, girl. Bro, good to see you. I see you. All right. Good to see y'all. So today's topic for Talk Tuesday, I just want to give somebody encouragement out there. I know so many people that want to do things but have not done them yet. And your girl, she's here and she's ready to let you guys know and encourage you guys and let you know why not do it now. Like, we waste so much time in overthinking that, that time that we waste, we don't get back, For me, example, I'm going to give me my personal example. I wanted to do YouTube a year or two ago. Like, it really took your girl a year or two to start a channel. Now that I've started a channel, I'm so happy that I did, and I kind of beat myself up about it because I feel like I should have started a long time ago. I should have started a long time ago. But like I said, we overthink. We feel like, oh, we don't have this, we don't have that. I don't have the best camera. I don't have the best equipment. I don't have a tripod. I don't have the best lighting. But I'm here to tell you that if you, yes, you girl, yes, you boy, if you want to start a YouTube channel, start today. There is somebody out there that is waiting for you. I said you to come and to show your face. So show your face. If you are planning on starting a business and you don't know where to start, just start. Make up a plan. Write things down. Do what you need to do so that you can make an impact on this world. Like, it's time out for us making excuses. Me, I thought that, oh my gosh, I know I have the personality. But I felt like, I overthought so much so that, look at me now. Like, for myself, I have 62 subscribers, which in my idea is really good for only being on YouTube for a month. Yes, thank you. Are you proud? Because I'm proud of myself. And I know that it's nothing but God and, the grind that I have to put out good content. And that's my job, that's my desire. Because I know somebody out there that needs to hear my voice, that needs to see my face, that needs to get the encouragement that I'm willing to give, all right? So, today is just a day to tell you I'm not going to be on here for very long, but I'm just telling you, just do it. Like, what's stopping you? Like, if you haven't mended a relationship that you need to mend, what's stopping you? Like, time is running out. Who's to say that we're going to be here to see tomorrow because life is so short? Why not start today? If you have plans to start a business, like I said before, start it. Figure out what you need to do. Do your research. Do everything that you need to do so that you can be successful in your dreams. Why let your dreams die? Why live and let your dreams die? I'm just confused. Not saying don't kill yourself or anything like that, but why live and let your dreams die when you can possibly fulfill your dreams as well, So I just want to do that. I just wanted to say, just do it. Whatever you have your mind set on, whatever goals that you have in mind, just do it. Achieve them. Why not? Why not? Write that book, because some of y'all are authors and don't even know it. You have all these good ideas and you allow yourself to get in the way. A lot of us need to tell ourselves, excuse me, so that I can fulfill my dreams. Excuse me, because you're in the way. Like, hey sis, hey bro, you're in the way. It's time out for, thinking that you can't do it when you can. I can do all things through Christ. That's my focus point. So if I can do it, why not? Okay. So yeah, write that book. Write down your dreams, write down your goals, write down your visions. Don't let time pass you by. If you want to start a relationship with God today, start today. What's stopping you? Yourself? Other than yourself, what's stopping you? If you want to start a business, if you want to write a book, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to start a bakery, you know, if you like baking cupcakes, start now. Somebody will support you. Somebody will give you your first opportunity to be a photographer, to be a videographer, to, you know, be a hairstylist. Like, you just have to get out of your way, get out of your head, and just do it. If I would have done this a year ago or 2 years ago, I know for a fact that I would be so much farther than I am today. If I would have done a lot of things quicker than I've chose to do them, I feel like I would be further in my career. If I would have chose to be an MA right after high school, I would have more years down under my belt. It's just things like that. We often allow time to fly, and then we just push ourselves. Like, we get to the point where we just have no other choice but to push yourself. If you want to start a clothing line, start it. If you want to start a shoe line, start it. Find a way to make your dreams come true. If your goal is by 2020, my relationship with God is tight, find a church that is good for you so that you can start this process. It's not about ourselves getting in the way anymore. It's about ourselves making things happen. If you want to just say, I want to have a better prayer life, start praying. If you want to read more, whether it's the Bible or even if it's different type of literature, read more. Like, don't allow excuses, don't allow time to fly by and you did not achieve your goals. That's just it. I just wanted to tell you, just do it. Make that video, edit it, post it, and see what happens. Don't let your opportunity slip by. Don't allow this moment to slip by. If you needed this encouragement, don't allow this video to slip by and you not take heed to it. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Take that step. Take that leap of faith. Believe that you're not going to be a failure. Believe that you are able to achieve this, and just achieve it. No, it's not going to be quick. No, it's not going to be tomorrow, but it's all a process, and the process is going to be so worth it. The time that you spend is going to be so worth it. Me spending my time doing these videos and editing and taking my time and putting time and thought and, getting the necessary materials have, made me get more excited about my ideas and excited about my videos and excited about my content. And I think that the same thing will happen for you. You'll get excited once you start writing your dreams down, once you start writing your visions down, once you start writing your ideas down, you start doing your research. Yes, you start, connecting and, associating yourself with people that have experience in that area. I believe that you will be successful. I believe in you. If anybody else doesn't believe in you, you should first believe in yourself. And just know that your girl Gwen, she believes in you. I feel like this was necessary to tell you to just do it. Okay? All right, so if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, comment down below. I know that you have a vision. I know you have a dream. If your dream is to start a teen ministry at your church, or to have a teen group, or to have a women's group, or to empower each other, or to encourage someone else, and you don't know where to start, take a pen, take a piece of paper, and write down your ideas. Let's start there. Let's not let another opportunity slip us by, and let's stop wasting time. Oops. Let's just stop wasting time, folks. Okay? Just do it. I hope that helped you as much as it helped me, because now that I have done this for a month and seen how much I have grown in this, I'm just happy to see what the future holds, and I'm happy to see what your futures hold. So once again, if this video has helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, because somebody needs to know that they need to just do it. Just do it. Okay? All right, guys, have a great day, and have a great night as well, because some of you might be watching this tonight on Tuesday. So have a great night, and I will see you next Tuesday for Talk Tuesday. Okay? And also, do me a favor. If you have any ideas, comment down below. Let me know what you want to hear. Let me know. And I know you see my hair. I'm about to go on another journey. I've been natural for almost 2 years. I'm about to go on a journey. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for that. But until next time, I will see you later.